Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use Gorilla Shop and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get this Gorilla Shop and grow a garden, you need to feed the rat connoisseur here. Okay, but remember that you can only feed him with mutated food. So you can cook here, cook mutated food. If you want to get mutation on the food, you can submit your mutated fruits. And by feeding the rat connoisseur, you will have an opportunity to get this Gorilla Shop. Okay, after you submit your food, you will have three options, and then you need to select one of them. And one of them can be Gorilla Chef, and you can choose it. And after you get the Gorilla Chef, you can go to your garden and place the Gorilla Chef on your garden. But if you want to use it, you need to have cooking cauldron here, and it'll be helpful for you guys to cook as much as you can. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!